Welcome, in front of me is DELL XPS 13, and in this video I will show you how to perform an initial setup on this laptop. First, select your country or region and click yes. Then select a keyboard layout. If you want to add a second keyboard layout, tap on add layout, but I'm gonna skip it for now. Next, let's connect to a network. Input a security key. And click next. Let me try again. Okay, now click next and wait until your device checks for updates. After that, review and accept the license agreement. Then if you want to, you can name your device. You can always make it, you can always do it in settings. I'm not gonna do it because my device will restart after I do this. So I don't want this video to take this much time. Right now we can select to use our device either for personal use or for work or school. Basically, if your device is your property, you can set it up for personal use, and if it's a property of your organization, then select the second one. Let's wait again. Next, click sign in and input your email or phone number. Enter your password. Wait a little while. If you want to add your face to sign in, then press yes, but I'm gonna skip it for now. Then let's create a PIN number. Confirm. And press OK. Then choose the privacy settings for your device. I'm gonna say yes to location in case I can't find my device, and for the same reason I will say yes to find my device option. If you want Microsoft to use diagnostic data, you can select this one too. I'm gonna swipe it to the left. And if you want Microsoft to gather diagnostic data about your inking and typing, then you can also select yes. I'm going with no. Then if you want let Microsoft to use diagnostic data about the websites you browse, then you can say yes, I'm gonna switch to no. And the last one is for advertising optimization, and if you want let Microsoft to use data about everything you do, then go with yes, and I'm gonna again select no and accept. So right now, if you want to if you want to back up your previous session, then select continue, and if you don't want to do that, select more options and go with select as new PC and confirm. Now let's wait for a while. Now let's proceed with customizing our experience. Basically, this doesn't do anything, and you can set it change it in settings at any time. So let's skip this for now. If you want to connect your phone to your PC, then scan this QR code on Android, or use iPhone phone link in your iPhone. I'm gonna skip it. Now again, if you want to back up your phone's photos, scan this QR code, and I'm once again gonna skip it. Click not now. I'm gonna decline this offer, but if you want to try, then select continue. Once again, I'm going to decline. Then select next. And once again, I'm gonna skip it. But if you're interested, you can always go confirm. Now let's wait until the process is finished. And that's it. The PC is fully set. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.